to download Warzone 2 on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone 2 on laptop and PC for free. So if you want to play Warzone 2, in this video I'll show you how to easily do that. The first thing we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to callofduty.com. Callofduty.com is the official website of Warzone 2. Once you get here, go up into the top menu, select games and then go to Warzone 2.0. From here scroll down, you will see play free now. There are several different ways you can play, including PlayStation, Xbox or Steam. What we are going to do is use battle.net, so go ahead and select battle.net, scroll down and select play for free, and then you can save the Call of Duty setup file, so select save. Once that done, downloading open up, and then we can begin installing battle.net. This might take a couple minutes. Once it completes, it will open up battle.net like this, where we need to either log into an account if you already have one, or we can log in using different service. But if you want to create a new battle.net account, select create a free battle.net account right here and go through that process. I'm going to log in. So once you get logged in or create your account, you'll get to where you can go through the installation process for Warzone 2 right here. So I'm just going to leave this all as default. Once you're ready, select install. It will then bring you to battle.net, where you will be able to see that the game is being downloaded right here in the bottom left. You can always go up to the top up here and select the download manager to see more information about your download and how much longer it will be downloading. Once it's downloading, you can then go back to battle.net and you'll see play in the bottom left. If it doesn't open right to Warzone 2, just go to the games and then in your favorites you should see where's the zoo right there. So go ahead and select click play and then it will start opening Warzone 2. Keep in mind the first time might take a little bit longer to load than normal. You might have a Windows Defender window come up. Go ahead and allow access for the game. If you get this, you can try to update your video card drivers, but mine are up to date, so I just select cancel and continue on. Then you might see this updating status for a couple minutes, but it is eventually going to load. So there you go, we are now playing Warzone 2 on a Windows PC. So that's how you download and install Warzone 2 on Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.